How to fix unable to comment on Snapchat problem. First of all, close the application and close all from the menu. Then simply tap on the app for some time. Now tap on the app info icon right over here. Scroll down and have it to storage section. Here you'll find clear cache and clear data. Tap on both of them and tap on delete to confirm your decisions. Then simply tap on force stop option right over here. Tap on OK, then simply close the application. Now just make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. For that, head over to your navigation bar and turn on airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it off and switch back to your Wi-Fi network. This will reset your Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi is too slow, you can always switch back to mobile data by simply tapping on right over here. And for the last part, head over to your Play Store and see if you have the update version or not. So search for Snapchat and tap on the Snapchat application and see if there is any update available. If there is, then here will be an update icon right over here. Make sure to tap on that. If it says open, that means it's already up to date. For future use, you can tap on the vertical line and make sure that you have enabled the auto update icon right over here. And that's it, guys. Now open your Snapchat and your comment problem will be solved.